heart of the Baltic Sea, there's a small country with a giant story. A story about how songs freed a nation. For nearly 50 years, Estonia lived under Soviet rule. Our language was censored. Our flag was banned. Our freedom gone. But one thing they could not take was our voice. For over a century, Estonians had gathered to sing. Massive choirs, tens of thousands strong. It was our tradition, our heartbeat. And then, in the late 1980s, the songs began to change. We sang the melodies they had forbidden. We sang the words they feared. From city squares to open fields, hundreds of thousands gathered. No weapons, no violence, only voices, united in defiance. And the world began to listen. They called it the Singing Revolution.
Thousands of years, the Estonians have been singing folk songs. They have one of the largest collections of folk songs in the world, even though they're a very small country. So it was very natural that music would become part of the weapon that they would use to fight the Soviets.
August 1991. The city woke to the low thunder of engines. Soviet tanks crawled through the streets, their steel tracks grinding the pavement. We had seen them before, the weight of an empire rolling forward. But this time, something was different. From the sidewalks, from the squares, from the very windows above, voices began to rise. At first, a few, then hundreds, then thousands, weaving together into a single defiant song. It carried over the rooftops and into the air, meeting the rumble of the tanks head-on. Steel can crush stone, but it cannot silence a song. And on that day, the music was louder than their guns.